Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how to toggle between miles and kilometers for your display settings. So first you want to turn the vehicle on and wait for a few moments for everything to boot up. And for our controls, we're going to use the stick over here with this to go up and down. So at this point we'll scroll up, which happens to be the first one, but otherwise you just keep scrolling through till you get to units where it says US right now, which would be your miles. And then we're gonna just press and hold here to get to this. It's just a quick press, and then again up or down to get to metric, which would be the kilometers, and then press again, and that's it. So you want to switch it back, toggle to what you need, press, go to US, press again, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. And then you can see it just automatically update right away with the units you need. I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.